Good morning. Ako po si Manny Viloria of Vilor.net at ang pag-uusapan po natin today ay yung Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate Spillovers. Ano nga ba itong mga spillover na ito? First, let's define some terms. Now, what is a spillover? Spillover, your upline or someone above you brings in a direct customer who gets placed under you in your Pay Plan 1 matrix. Or, one of your uplines, downlines, cycles. Nakabuo po siya ng grupo ng 6. Cycles and reappears under you in your Pay Plan 1 matrix. We also have the term spill under. That's when someone below you helps fill your Pay Plan 1 matrix. So, tingnan po natin yung diagram para po mas madali. Demo of spillover scenario 1. Okay. Ito pong upline ninyo. Scenario 1, you are placed automatically by the SWA Ultimate System in position 1 of your upline's current matrix. Automatic po ito, no? Nagkataon po, posible na dyan po kayo ma-place, depende sa timing ng inyong upline. So what happens? Your upline works and gets another direct customer. Dyan po siya malalagay. Kasi ito yung next available na bakanting slot sa matrix ng inyong upline. Let's say your upline works again and gets another direct customer. Ayun po. Ito yung next na bakanting slot. Kaya dito po na-place yung next direct customer ng inyong SWA upline. So, you are the first referral of your upline. Here's the second. Here's the third. The fourth referral of your upline will be placed here. Ganyan. Automatically by the it'll be placed automatically by the system. Okay. So here, you enjoyed 2 spillovers from your upline. So the next customer of your upline will be placed here and so on. And when your upline fills this, magsa-cycle po ang inyong upline at magkakaroon po siya ng panibagong matrix. So, para mapuno po itong matrix ninyo, you can either get the help of these people, mga spill under, or you can find your own direct customers para po mabuo yung inyong group of 6 under you. Dito po. The only people who can fill this up will be these people and their direct customers, or you and your direct customers. Okay. How do you get direct customers? Meron po tayong tutorial sa pinoybiznow.com. Demo spillover scenario number 2. What if you were placed in the second position? Yung upline ninyo, meron po siyang unang direct customer, tapos nagkataon lang po, kayo yung pangalawa. The SWA system will automatically place you in the first available vacant slot of your upline at nagkataon po ito yung bakante. So dito po kayo na ilagay. So what happens? If your upline works hard, yung kanya next direct customer will be here, and then here, and then here. So, customer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yung panglimang direct customer ng inyong upline, malalagay po under you. Yan po ang spillover courtesy of your upline. Now, palagay po natin na after your upline attracts 2 direct customers, itong taong to, si first direct customer ni upline, at kayo po, pangalawang direct customer ni upline. And then your upline stops working. Paano na po yan? Meron po tayong scenario 2 plus cycler. Let's say itong taong ito, masipag po siya. Pinuno niya po ito. Ganyan. Kapag napuno na niya yung kanyang matrix, magsa-cycle po siya at bibigyan po siya ng panibagong matrix. And since this person is a direct customer of your upline, her matrix will reappear dun po sa unang bakanting slot sa matrix ng upline po ninyo. And the next vacant slot is this one. Nagkataon po, yung vacant slot na yon ay nasa ilalim po ninyo. So, sa scenario 2 plus cycler, itong direct customer ng inyong upline na masipag, nakabuo ng group of 6 sa ganitong form, sa kanyang matrix, magre-reappear po siya dito. Okay, so she cycled, she reappeared here under you. So pag inulit niya yan, magbuo siya ng 6 dito, magre-reappear uli siya dito. At magkakaroon ka ng 2 people under you. At kapag ka nagtrabaho uli itong masipag na taong ito at naglagay po siya ng tao dito, mabubuo po ang inyong matrix. Now, let's look at scenario 3. Kanina po, nandito kayo sa position 1, tapos position 2. What about if you're in position 3, 4, 5, or 6? Meaning, meron na pong mga naunang direct customer ang inyong upline. As you can see, this person, if she works hard, she can fill up this matrix. Kayo naman po, meron kayong sariling matrix dito. So, kung titingnan natin itong blue line, blue rectangle na ito, ang mapupuno lang niya will be this, 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 and this, and this. Itong nasa blue rectangle. Magsa-cycle siya, dito na siya mag-a-appear. Gaya po ng kanina, yung scenario 2 plus cycler. Kayo naman po, ito po yung inyo. So, ang tulong lang na maibibigay nitong taong ito ay dito sa boxes na ito. Itong dalawa lamang. Okay? Si apply naman, ang tulong na maibibigay niya sa inyo ay wala. Kasi yung next na ilalagay niyang tao will be either here, here, or here. Wala na pong mailalagay si upline dito sa ilalim ninyo. Now, let's say masipag itong taong to. She brought in a customer, another customer, and another customer. So, ang naibigay niya po sa inyo, ang nai-spill over po niya sa inyo ay dalawa. Now, if these 2 people also attract direct customers, saka pa lang po malalagyan yung mga slots dito po sa ilalim ninyo. Sa inyong 2x2 matrix. 2, meaning 2 people here by 2 rows. So, total, 6 po na tao. Okay? So, clear po ba yan sa inyo? Yung benefits po ng spillover ay hindi po automatic. Depende po yan kung nasa anong position po kayo at kung gaano kasipag po yung mga tao sa itaas po ninyo for spillover at kung gaano rin kasipag yung mga tao sa ilalim ninyo for spill under. At depende rin po sa inyo kung paano po kayo mag-a-attract ng direct customers. And meron po tayong tutorial sa pinoybiznow.com. So there you have it, the demo of spillover based on 3 scenarios, whether nandito po kayo sa first position, sa second, or sa third, fourth, fifth, or sixth. And that's it for this Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate Spillovers Explained Quick Tutorial. Ako po si Manny Viloria ng Viloria.net. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.